Hello everyone, today I am going to explain how to use OrginLab for plotting return loss and 2D radiation pattern. So I am using HFSS software for antenna design. So consider this is the return loss of my design. So simply I will right click anywhere, export, and you can save it anywhere. So one CSV file will be generated. After that we have to open OrginLab. Already I have drawn, so I will delete it from here. Workbook. So now file, import single ci. Here is my file. So now I will go for line plot, left click, frequency is my x-axis and return loss is my y-axis. Okay, so my graph is ready, but this is not looking very good to put in publications or papers. So I will modify this graph. So first of all I will modify the x-axis, y-axis and grid levels. So simply we have to double click on the x-axis. So here, from here I can change the scaling. I will start from 1 to 8. Here you can change the value. Say if I will make it 5, so you can see on the x-axis. For better look I will put 2 only. So now it's good. Now I will place the grid lines, major and minor. You can arrange the you can use dots. Here again I will use dot. You can change the thickness of the grid lines. I'll make it 1. Apply. So now grid line is there. So to make it more beautiful I will put the upper edge. So here minor tick labels, again titles and format, so top, so axis and ticks. So I will apply. So now you can see there are ticks on the major and minor grid lines. So I will remove it. Simple major tick length I will make it 0. Apply. So now there is no tick line. So our x-axis part is over. In the same manner I will also make the arrangement for the y-axis. Simply go on the axis and double left click. So again from here scaling is okay, you can change it as per your requirement. So now first of all grid line, major grids, minor grids, again style you can change, dot, thickness you can change 1, apply. So grid lines are present now. Similarly I will try to put one edge in the right hand side, sorry. So major ticks and labels, titles and format, click on right. So and same arrangement you can do here, major ticks 0, apply. So one line is created. So now our coordinate axis is ready. It is looking beautiful. Now I will make changes in the graph. So now see, when we import single ASCII format, so these all are grouped. If you will make changes, simply double click on any single graph and you make some changes here. So now you can observe there are changes in all the graphs, but this is not desired. So what I will do, first of all I will ungroup these graphs. So here one you can see, double left click, put anywhere on any one. So all are grouped. So from here I will ungroup it, apply. So now we can make changes in individual graphs. So I will say I will choose this one. I will change the style, say this is dot, apply. You can change the color from here, individual and all. In the same manner I will make changes, say in this style, apply, and you can make changes in here. So now how to change the legend? So double click on this. You can write anything whatever you want as per your parametric variations. Say I will write x1, x2 and x3. So I can place it simply one left click on the boundary, and you can drag it anywhere wherever you want to place it. But now see, there is one boundary. You can replace the boundary, simply click on the edge. After that right click, properties, see here, white out I will select. Now see, so this was about the legend. So now see here, dbst, this was due to whatever adjustment and settings I had given in the HFSS, that's why it is coming. You can change in the origin also by changing the name over here, but that is not required. Simply double left click here and you can write down whatever you want. Return loss dp. So you can change the x label and y labels. You can also change the dimensions. One left click, one right click, properties. From here you can change, say I will, you can change the font size, property. In the same manner you can change for the x label. So now this y scale, simply you one left click, one right click, sorry, double left click you have to do, and from here you can also change the font size. Say I will make it 26, apply. So the same operation you can perform on the x scale also. So our graph is ready now. I can put it in my paper. So for that, go on edit, copy page. So I have already made one arrangement. So wherever you want, simply paste it, Control V, or directly right click and paste. So now see, here again you can expand it if you require. You can make the arrangement like this. If not required, you can proceed with the same. There is another way, but generally in publications, when you are submitting the paper, they are expecting the TIF format. So go in origin, file, export, open dialog. It may last use may not come if you are using the very first time the origin. So here format you can choose TIF. You can put some name, rloss. You can choose the location where you want to save, desktop. Okay, so apply and done. So now we'll see the graph will be stored. See, our graph is ready. So now how to put this in our paper? So simply right click, copy, control. So also insert option is there. From there you can choose your file to put. So this was about the return loss. So also in some graph you may have seen some symbols they are using. For that, rest of the procedure is same. Simply in beginning we have to choose here the line plus symbol option. In that you can change the symbol and everything, and rest of the procedure is same. So now in earlier version of Origin, before Origin 9.0, we cannot plot, we were not able to plot the negative radius, so that's why plotting the radiation pattern was very difficult. So in earlier version 9.0, beginning from 9.0, so we can plot the negative radius and the plotting radiation pattern become very simple. So now file, now I will open new workbook. So again I am using HFSS. So this is my radiation pattern. So simply same procedure, export, desktop, save, minimize it. So file, import, single ASCII. Here is our radiation pattern. So now here you can make changes. You can put like e sorry, e plane, h plane, or whatever it is, but that is not required. Simply we'll go plot specialized polar theta x. You can use polar rx theta also, but I am using this. Okay, so theta is a and the rest of our radius. So now see, the graph is not looking like same as it was looking in the HFSS. See, it's totally different. So now how to change it? Simply double left click anywhere in the graph. Graph property will open. Sorry, display, show negative radius, uncheck it, apply. Okay. So now see, it's not visible. So again, here there is one option, use y-axis range. Again it is not visible. So here rescale the graph. So now see, it's visible. We can rotate it by 90 degree or whatever you want accordingly, and you can by the same procedure as we have seen in case of return loss. Here there is no need to ungroup, because when we are importing, automatically they are not grouped. So here you can go through the same procedure we have done for changing the graph, x level, y level, thickness, after that the scaling, everything. The same procedure is there. Simply we have to double click, the window will pop up. From there you can format it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this will be helpful for you.